take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Delta Retails sets an unrealistic goal of doubling quarterly sales. To meet the target, employee record fictitious sales that never ship to customers. Okay? The company's control system focuses on counting transaction, not verifying deliveries. So the control is just not there to meet an appropriate objective, basically. Yeah. Which inherent limitation of internal control best explain this failure? So what limitation are we discussing here? Now, if you're taking this question on farhatlectures.com, you could ask the AI, if you just kind of forgot or not sure what are the limitation of internal control, it will explain the topic for you kind of as a refresher. Or if not, you could just try to answer the choices. Is it management override? Is this the limitation that we are discussing here? No, I don't see that. Management override is when management try to bypass the internal control. We're not told. If anything, it's the employees who are recording those fictitious sales. So maybe because of management want them to do so, but it's not management override. B, human error. I don't see anything about a mistake here. This is being done intentionally, therefore error is out. Unsuitable objectives? I would say yes. Why? Because the system is supporting poorly defined and unrealistic objectives, not looking to verify whether the sales is correct, the sales is legitimate or not. Therefore, between A, B, and C, I'm going to keep C, but let's look at D. D, collusion. Collusion is when two or more individuals, they try to collude together to commit fraud. Now, sorry, are these people colluding together? They are working together, but they're not colluding. Colluding is when they are secretly and hiding their act. Here, there is no hiding. The company says, look, let's do this. And how do we do this? Would let through of recording fictitious sales. So there's no collusion. It's the unsuitable objective that's creating this limitation. Now, on farhatlectures.com, also, the farhat.ai can explain the answer choices for you, kind of, emphasize a little bit further if you'd like. And if you want another similar question, it would create a similar MCQ for you to help you practice. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate or an accounting student, invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Farhat Lectures is always here to help. Good luck, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.